Want to change your aspect ratio of your video in DaVinci Resolve? Here's how to change the aspect ratio in under 60 seconds. Step 1. So first you need to open your project and click on the gear icon at the bottom, which would open the project settings. In project settings, click on master settings. In master settings, go to timeline resolution. If you're creating a full YouTube video and want a horizontal YouTube video with aspect ratio of 16:9, then you can click this 1920 by 1080 Full HD or 3840 by 2160 if you're shooting in 4K. But if you want to create vertical videos for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, what you need to do is click on custom, and over here, if you're creating a Full HD video for your YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, type 1080 by 1920. Now what this will do, now you can see the aspect ratio of this video is 16:9, and when I hit save, now the aspect ratio is 9:16, which can be used for YouTube Shorts. Now to adjust it, you can just zoom it in, and this can be used for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. So please do subscribe, hit like, and drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Resolve tips. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't.